Hi folks, day 47 of here in Doxie going to Queensland to, get out of the winter and find sunshine. So far not so good. Anyway, what did I say, day 47. The morning's been spent mainly with chasing batteries, and I have ordered 2 batteries. I am staying with AGM. The changeover was just going to be too exy for this stage of the piece. So I've ordered Fullriver, which is a good reputation Australian battery. They're going to get delivered tomorrow morning to the pontoon next to VMR here at Bums Bay. I'm literally walking at the moment to catch up with a friend for lunch. Well, it'll be pouring inside, while it's pouring outside. Anyway, I've just found a bike. Okay, one of these guys again. I'm just next to SeaWorld at the moment, and I'll get myself down to Marina Mirage and, have something nice to eat. Well, it looks like the yacht deck's closed. I guess it is Monday. I'll just wait for my lunch date to turn up and we'll decide where else to go. Nothing like a water-based type place to look miserable on a rainy day. But hey, it's nice. It's still by the water, and you can see how busy it obviously must get right in season. So looking across at Southport over there, and just across the marina here. Well, back from a very pleasant lunch, and the sky's trying very hard to clear. I think this guy's trying to be a little bit excited by it as well. Not quite sure of what to make of it all. Anyway, I'm going to go and find my dinghy and head back out to Doxie. And a little drive by the dogs. Seem happy. One on the side deck. One just got his paws over the side there and checking the scenery. And obviously the one on the front of the tender there, keeping an eye on things. It's so calm. Not a breath of wind. Crazy. Well, look at that blue sky coming, hopefully. Yeah. Anyway, making my way back home. Looks like I've got a visitor. I'm not quite sure what that is. Ah, here come the swans. Lovely. Well, a bit of a shorter one today again, thanks to the rainy weather. But look at it now. That gives me hope for the next few days. So it would be so good to feel some sunshine, that's for sure. I did have a great day though. Went ashore, had lunch with an old work colleague. We had fish and chips and a couple of beers. So yeah, very nice. Always great to catch up. So I ordered a couple of batteries for house, and they're Fullriver batteries, 2 times 120 amp hours for they are AGMs. So I relented. I looked at what I needed to do to get lithium happening on here, and it was just going to turn into bigger than Ben-Hur one day for sure, but I'm going to start putting in the other instrumentation I'm going to need as well for that. So I'm going to order another MPPT, which is a solar controller, and a DC, was it DC to DC? Yeah, DC to DC inverter. So, or converter, or whatever, one of those. So yeah, I'll probably order that shortly in the next couple of days. It is end of year financial year sales, so good time to be doing that. But yeah, tomorrow I hope to have that delivered and installed, the 2 new house batteries, so I can stop worrying about electricity a bit, which would be great. Anyway, as I said, just a shorty today. Thank you for following along. We will start moving again shortly and see some more of the beautiful scenery that's around in these inland waterways between the Gold Coast and Brisbane. So look forward to that. And don't forget, if you haven't, subscribe. And this is Dawn Raider, out.
Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.